just got totally soaked inside my house. Holy crap. Oh, lightning's nuts. Gnarly stuff. Holy shit. Lightning is crazy. I'm trying to get my hair cut for the first time in like a year. Holy crap. I'm gonna be like drenched just getting into my car. This is nuts. Ooh. Flashing. Getting soaked. I need my FJ back because it literally floods over here. I mean, it is literally flooding here. Can't even get back up to my house because it's like drenched in the stairways. Federal Highway floods like crazy. I filmed a video a few months ago and the whole street was underwater, cars were sinking and stuff. I have a feeling it's going to be like that again. Alright, so we're in Boca Raton, Federal Highway. Cars are literally sinking here all over. I've never seen anything like this, like flash flood. Never seen it like this so quickly. But thank God I have an FJ Cruiser because I could fly right through this. I'm just trying not to create such a wake for everybody else. But I mean, it is madness here. There's a car like right over here, totally like half sunk. Oh my God, there's cars literally like sunk over here with people in them. This is incredible. I feel so bad for these people. They had no clue what they were getting into with their little sports cars, Mercedes, totally underwater. This is insane. Oh man. And it just goes on and on and on for a long time. This is when you need a snorkel. And people are just stuck. They're totally stuck and stranded. They went out to eat, and that was the end of that. And they may be here, shit, I don't know. They may be here for hours. I don't know how long it'll take for this to drain, but I've seen this place flooded, but this is within a matter of an hour or less. Totally flooded. Turn your brakes off! Bus is throwing a wake here, yo. It's a no wake zone, dude. Oh my God, you're totally swamping people, bro. Yo! bus driver is gonna take a bunch of people out in cars, man. That's crazy. Another one. Slow your roll. Shit. It's like Waterworld. Cars are abandoned. Made it in the car. Holy monkeys. Monkey business. What is this? Whew. This is some crazy stuff. I mean, this is no joke. And of course, this car has the worst windshield wipers right now. So, here we go. Hopefully it's not too flooded. Oh look, my Vespa has a friend. It's probably getting soaked on the inside of the compartments too. Oh. Oh yeah, it's already flooded on the sides of the street. If this holds up another 15 minutes or so, this whole street's gonna be absolutely flooded. Maybe this is a sign I shouldn't get my hair cut. We'll see. I literally really can't see much, and I mean the roads are pretty damn flooded, and this is after like 10-15 minutes. You can only imagine. Holy shit, I can't see. You can only imagine what it's gonna be like in 10-15 minutes. Further back the way I just came from, it floods like so crazy, so quick. Ah, shit. Whew. It looks like the railroad crossing is malfunctioning, and the gates go up and down, and there's actually a police officer way over there holding the actual gate up for people. Pretty crazy, right? Actually holding that thing up for traffic. That's why I've been sitting here for 20 minutes and haven't moved. There's a guy over here holding the oh, he was holding that gate up. Now he disappeared. But yeah, this is a big mess over here, people. That storm was one of the gnarliest I've ever seen, and I've seen some gnarly ones here in South Florida for sure. Oh shit. The actual train is coming now, which is pretty crazy, and it's moving very slow. Another hold up. Maybe I wasn't meant to get my hair cut. Come on, you can go faster than that. Chugga chug, chugga chug, go, go, go. Still waiting for the train. It stopped on the tracks. This is crazy, people. So they're literally manually lifting the gates up so that people can get through. And I don't know what's going on with this one. I don't know if somebody's lifting that or if it's busted, but nobody's... Oh, a couple of cars are trying to go through. This truck is... I don't think he's gonna make it, but he's making it. And the guy is holding it up for us. Come on, man. Let me through. Oh, this guy. Oh, shit. This is some straight up madness. Holy shit. Thank the Lord. Woo. Made that hair looks kind of crazy.
Yes.
It looks really crazy. I mean, I never comb it straight down like that. It looks really I'm here getting my hair cut after, I don't know, 8, maybe even 10 months.
Yeah, 8-10 months of seeing me.
Yeah, so I'm here with Chris. And
showing back in the chair again. As you see it, he needs it.
Yep, I've missed it too. I just, literally, I've just been honestly so busy, and I really don't care anymore. I kind of just let it go. Let it go.
Thing, huh? Throw a hat on it.
Yep, that's it. I mean, and yeah, we're moving into motorhome in a month. And have you ever thought about doing anything like that?
I have not. I mean, it would be nice one day. I do have some clients that retire and do travel around.
Yeah.
Via motorhome. They love it because it's just, you go so many different places, you know.
Yeah. Well, that's the
options are endless, I guess.
They are, and the cool thing is when you live in one, there's no rush to go from place to place.
Right.
So it's not like a vacation. It's almost like a permanent vacation with no time limit, and that's the cool thing. So we're gonna spend a lot of time in one place. We're not gonna be on the road every day, and the big rig we got set up to do that. So
nice.
Yeah.
So what do you have to pull?
Nothing yet.
Okay.
We're literally in the search. We got to get a big dually, diesel 4x4 as big as you can go. So we're in the process of trying to lock in one of those.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
What's the weight on that? What is that? Do you know how much that weighs, that trailer?
The trailer itself, the loaded capacity is about 21,000 pounds. So it's a big. I mean, that's pretty much what the truck can hold. These dualies they can hold 23,000 pounds. So it's a big boy, 44 feet. It sleeps 10.
Wow.
It's got it's very modern. I'll have to show you some pictures.
Sure.
But yeah,
Sounds like fun.
I'm stoked, man.
Yeah, I would love to do that one day.
Where's the coolest place that you've ever traveled in the U.S.?
In the U.S., I like California.
Yeah.
You got a little bit of everything. You got mountains, you got ocean, you got, just the whole vibe out there. I mean, I think every place has character.
Yeah.
It's, what you make of it. New England's great. You got the fall, the foliage. But I like California.
Yeah, I do too. I think we're gonna spend the majority of our time out west and probably Southern California because surfing and just all the sports that we like to do, it's awesome.
Yeah, that's a great area, Southern California. Yep.
Yeah.
Beautiful area.
Well, cool. We'll show you guys the after pictures here after I get all this beat up hair trimmed up, looking better. But I'll also put a link to the salon in the video here, so you guys can come visit Chris.
Nice.
He's been cutting hair for 30
years. Yeah.
30 years, which is incredible. So great guy. You have to come see him. We finished up, feeling like $1 million here.
Looking good, healthier now. Looking good.
Much healthier. I got to get over here more often. So we'll have to on our travels back home. We'll have to make sure I get a haircut in those pit stops.
Yeah,
So
see you, Sean.
cool.
Safe travels.
Thanks, buddy.
Peace.
Appreciate it.
You got it.